Imagine this. You type in a word, choose what to search, product or category, and the Excel updates your table. No VBA, no coding, just one smart formula. Okay, in this video I'll show you how to create a dynamic search bar in Excel using Dropdown and the filter function. It's fast, simple, and very useful. Here is my table, product, category, and prices. In cell F1, I added a drop-down list with two options, product and category. You can do this from data validation, list. And in cell G1, this is where I type my search keyword. Now, here is the formula that brings it to life. In cell I2, enter this. If condition, open the bracket, F1 equal product, and we'll use a formula of filter. I will choose dataset from A2 to C31, and the formula is number, search G1, and we will search for the product in the column from A2 to A31. If we didn't find any result, we'll have no results. And for the category, we will use filter. We'll search from A2 to C31. And S number, search G1. And here we'll choose the column of category B2 to B31. If there is no results, we will see no results. And now check your drop-down choice and your filter based on word you type. Let's try it. Okay, if you found this helpful, click subscribe and follow more Excel tips that makes your life easier and work smarter. Thank you.